If you are new to investing in Detroit, whether you from here or you from out the state or out the country, I do not recommend full gut rehabs for your first probably 3 to 5 projects because you're going to stress me out, and we don't do stress over here. But if you hire me, it is going to run pretty smoothly because I can kind of tell you what ifs might happen. So that's one. So I tell a lot of clients just buy you a lot. It's cheaper to maintain. The taxes on there is nowhere near the price of a property or a structure sitting on the lot. All you got to do is keep the grass cut. If you got an abundance of lots, I recommend fencing it off and put up some no trespassing, no dumping signs. If it's something you can stick something on, some clients put up game cameras and stuff so you can catch people dumping. And then that's a lot less for your holding cost. And you can literally wait that out. You ain't got to worry about no land bank bother you. You might have to worry about the city bothering if you don't keep the grass cut. But other than that, you smooth. But me personally, I'm holding my lots to build later. Mm-hmm. That makes sense. Are you talking to an attorney? Yes, I am. Miss Karen said thank you, and she will be contacting you. I love your direct agent, no stress. Yeah, you're not gonna stress me. This is my passion. I love what I do. When things begin to stress me, I get rid of it. That's why I ain't doing homeowner houses no more for real. That's why I cut out a lot of stuff. Like I'm a one-time person. It happened once.